The overall goal of this miniaturized solid phase extraction combined with LC-MSMS assay is to accurately quantify free 3-nitrotyrosine in human urine for clinical applications.
Free 3-nitrotyrosine has been used as a biomarker for oxidative stress. However, it remains a special challenge to accurately quantify 3-nitrotyrosine in biological matrices for clinical applications due to insufficient sensitivity, selectivity, and cumbersome sample preparations. This technique, incorporating an effective solid phase extraction and a highly sensitive LC-MS detection, allows rapid, specific, and accurate determination of low levels of endogenous 3-nitrotyrosine in human urine without the need of derivatization, reconstitution, and two-dimensional LC.
Though this method can provide insight into oxidative stress investigation, it can also be applied to other pathological conditions, such as complex inflammatory and neurodegenerative disorders. The implications of this technique could be extended toward monitoring the effectiveness of antioxidant treatment, because the 3-nitrotyrosine level can be reduced by antioxidants.
To begin this procedure, Vortex previously prepared and thawed urine samples, standards, and QC samples. After vortexing, add 250 microliters of each sample and standard to 32 wells of a clean